Hello friends, welcome to the Cool Vedas, that's Veda School. In the last video, we saw how Jaratkaru was angry on his wife for disturbing his sleep. Today, let's see what fate has in store for Vasuki's sister. Jaratkaru, with trembling lips and eyes filled with rage, said, O lady of Naga race, you have insulted me. I believe in my heart that the sun has no power to set at the usual time if I am asleep. Nobody should stay in a place where they are insulted. So here I am, leaving right now. Tell your brother that I have left his place. And you too, my lady, you need not grieve for me once I leave you. Hearing this, the sister of Vasuki, mustering courage and patience in her heart, with tearful voice said, I cannot understand how you can leave me when I have committed no wrong. The offspring that will save my race has not been born yet. What will I say, Vasuki? The welfare of my race depends on the son I get from you. It is not right of you to leave me when I am faultless. The rishi, who already had his mind set on practicing rigid tapas as before, said his wife Jaratkaru that she had conceived a son who is very virtuous and a master of all Vedas and its branches. Saying this, he left Vasuki's home. Soon after her husband left, Jaratkaru ran to her brother Vasuki. She told him everything that took place. Feeling miserable seeing his sister's fate, Vasuki asked, My sister, you know the reason why I gave you in marriage to the rishi. Knowing about the powers of your husband, I do not dare to follow him, as I fear that he might curse me. So, you, my sister, please tell me if the purpose of your marriage has occurred. Jaratkaru, the sister, then told Vasuki about how the rishi told the words Asti, that is, there is, when she had asked about an offspring to him. Hearing this, Vasuki was greatly relieved and he took very good care of her sister. Soon, the embryo in her womb began to develop, and in due time, she gave birth to a child with the splendor of a deva. He was named Astika, which means whoever is. As his father had gone to the forest saying the words Asti when asked about his presence by his mother. Though a child, he was very intelligent and saintly. He studied the Vedas and its branches from Shavana Maharshi, the son of Bhrigu. This child of Jaratkaru the Rishi and Jaratkaru the Serpent Princess grew day by day, much to the delight of the Nagas. With Astika being born, what was happening in King Janamajaya's court? Did he have any plans of avenging Takshaka, the one who killed his father? Or was he too busy in wars and celebrations? Let's find out. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more Mahabharata stories. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Namaste.